Hello everyone, I'm Judy Jackson. As I promised you, I'm featuring recipes from my own cookbooks, and this one comes from one of the earliest ones, written in 1997. It's called the Jewish Cookbook, and the subtitle is 70 Recipes from a Historic Cuisine. Now you may wonder why it's historic, and the story is this. The Jewish people were forced to move from one country to another over the past hundreds of years. And what they did was they went and took their own pots and recipes, ideas with them, and then what they found there in these different places, they adapted to what they wanted to cook. So the result is an enormously varied cuisine. It's not just Moroccan or Spanish or French or Indian. It's a mixture of everything that people might have found where they went. Now in my case, my mother was born in Lisbon in Portugal, and she was what's called Sephardi. My father, who was an Ashkenazi Jew, came from Eastern Europe. And so they both had very different traditions at home. So when I was commissioned to write this book, it was quite a challenge. I tried to include recipes that I really thought were representative of many, many different types of food. So coming up now is an idea for you. What I'm going to be cooking is two very easy, very quick, sweet things. You wouldn't even call them a dessert, but here's the idea. If you're invited out to lunch or dinner and you usually take flowers or chocolates, why don't you make some of these, keep some for yourself, and then put some in a nice box with a ribbon and take it to your friends. I promise you that they will be truly delighted.